everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome to day 5 of 7 days 7 crafts from Pipe Cleaner Challenge. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? I'll show you how I make it. Let's do it. Let's start with the pink flowers. These are the star of this whole bouquet. I take a hot pink pipe cleaner and I make loops, petal shaped loops, twisting all the bottom ends together tightly in the center. Now the pearl center. I take a white pearl bead and place it right in the middle. Then I added a stick to the flower. And look, a perfect pink pipe cleaner flowers. Now I repeat this process again and again. Look at this. I made a different blue and pink color so many pipe cleaner flowers. Now let's arrange these into a beautiful bouquets. Now the packaging time. This is what transfers it from flowers to a proper gift bouquet. I added a transfer paper bouquet, then I added a black color bouquet papers. This dramatic black wrapping makes the pink and blue flowers pop so beautifully. I take my pink satin ribbon, wrap it around the base of the bouquet. This pink ribbon ties it all together so perfectly. So, here is the final result. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Comment which color flower is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.